Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Acura RDX. First, gather your jumper cables and a vehicle with a working battery. Make sure both cars are completely turned off and in park or neutral with the parking brake engaged. For your safety, always wear protective eyewear and gloves. This prevents potential sparks or battery acid exposure during the process. Now, let's connect the cables correctly. Take one end of the red positive jumper cable and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Acura RDX's dead battery. Then, connect the other end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Next, connect one end of the black negative cable to the negative terminal of the working vehicle's battery. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative cable to an unpainted metal surface on your Acura RDX, away from the battery. This creates a ground connection. Once connected, start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge. After 5 minutes, try starting your Acura RDX. If your Acura RDX starts, congratulations. Now, carefully disconnect the jumper cables in the reverse order of connection. First, remove the black negative cable from the ground point, then from the good battery. Next, remove the red positive cable from the good battery, and finally from your Acura RDX's battery. Drive your car for at least 20 minutes to allow the alternator to recharge the battery. Also, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.